Today we're tackling a classic ACT English question: how to weigh adjectives and decide where commas belong. Let's look at this sentence. The stunning, elegant Italian sports car zoomed past us. That's a lot of commas, right? Let's break it down. When multiple adjectives describe a single noun, like car, we need to figure out which adjectives are of equal weight and which are more tightly connected to the noun. Here's the trick. Use the and test between each adjective pair. Let's try it. The stunning and elegant Italian sports car. Stunning and elegant sounds natural. That means they are equal in weight. So yes, we do need a comma between them. Now let's try. The elegant and Italian sports car. That sounds a little off. Italian sports car is a specific type of car. These words are tightly linked, so no comma should go there. And finally, Italian and sports car is definitely a no because that breaks the meaning of the sentence. The correct version is the stunning, comma, elegant Italian sports car zoomed past us. One comma between stunning and elegant and nowhere else. Just remember, if and works, use a comma. If it doesn't, leave it out. Ready to crush the ACT? Achievable includes everything you need to get a top score. With Achievable, you get a personalized AI-driven study plan, short, engaging lessons, and realistic practice questions that adapt to your progress. It's everything you need, streamlined, effective, and adapts to your needs. Tens of thousands of people have trusted Achievable to boost their scores, and now it's your turn. Start your free trial today at achievable.me. Follow the link below in the description to get started.